This is video part 2, to which my dad said come around the side door and check it out. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy crap. They all just swarmed right towards my face. Oh! Oh! You see them all in this tree? Oh my lord.
Hey Dave, this is Lois Sullivan. It's 5 o'clock on Christmas Eve evening. Hey, there's a million birds in our backyard. It's unbelievable.
To hear my mom just say there's a million birds.
Look out your back window. Also, I have something.
I've told her a million times, do not exaggerate. Alright, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out. They're gonna fly. They're gonna swarm. Here we go. Holy crap.
Oh my god! Oh!
My mom's freaked out that it's an Alfred Hitchcock movie.
Look at them across the street too!
Holy crap.
They're migrating through here.
Oh, golly, look at this tree.
Dude, look at that tree. This is creepy.
Oh! Oh!
Yep, found them.
Oh my god. Dude. This is alarming. Okay. Trees across the street from my parents' house. Completely full of whoa. Full of birds. Wow.